Hey guys, today we're gonna make a tasty burger. For that, first you'll need a bun. Cut the bun into two parts, the base part and the top part. Take some mayonnaise. Spread the mayonnaise evenly on the top bun. This is ready. Now spread some tomato ketchup on the base bun. Let's put some lettuce leaves. You can also put cabbage. Add some tomato. Then cucumber. And some onion. A pinch of salt for taste. And squeeze a lemon if you want. Yes, now the top bun on its place, the burger is ready. Tasty burger is ready to eat. Guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Like this video if you liked the taste of the burger you made. Subscribe to Tasty channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.